Okay, traders, it's Irvin here. Welcome back. Hey, listen, this is what I gave you last week. You can't say that I didn't give it to you. Look, I told you what's going on with GBP USD. Why did I say the market was in a sell position? Because multiple time frames here. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Everything is letting us know that we are selling. Look at the trend. The trend don't lie, guys. This was my analysis that I gave you last week. Was that I said the market was gonna come back and retest our previous multiple time frame in here. Look at that touch. Boom, right on it. What did I say from there? I said market was gonna retrace back where? Previous multiple time frame once, or either previous multiple time frame twice, which was the 38.2, right on it. And then from there, I said the market was gonna head back down. I told you. The next pair that I gave you guys was the following. Hopefully you guys are making money out of this, guys. The next pair that I gave you was GBP JPY. Pay close attention. What did I say last week? I said, guys, the market is gonna make a small continuation of that buy, then it's gonna come back right on it. Previous multiple time frame, right on it. Look at that. Then from there, what did I say? Boom! The market was gonna continue on that buy trend. Look at who's here. Who's in control? The buyers are taking over the market, guys. That was an amazing. Another pair that I gave you was Euro USD. Did anyone in here trade Euro USD, guys? Because look, can't say that I didn't give it to you. Can't say that I didn't give it to you, because here it was. Look at that. What did I say on last Sunday? I said, guys, the market is gonna do a touch back down all the way to your 38.2 Fibonacci level. Look at that. Boom! Right on it, guys. Right on it. What did I say from there? Market was gonna continue selling down. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect touch, guys. From there, market was gonna do a pullback. Boom, boom, guys. I'm telling you, all the three pairs that I gave you guys right on point. So I'm gonna give you this week. Hopefully, guys, you are finding value. If you are finding value, make sure you destroy that like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, okay? I'm gonna add a brand new pair, so you will love what you're gonna see, all right? So stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're gonna review the very first pair for this coming week. We're gonna do Euro USD. We're gonna continue using our multiple time frame. Always pay attention to the dashboard, guys. The dashboard will give you the answer. Look at what daily and 4 hours are saying on Euro USD. This week is gonna be tricky. The lower time frame is doing a pullback. If you don't know how to trade pullback, stay away from the market. But I'm gonna give you the whole breakdown because I need you to understand how the system works. Okay, so basically what we're seeing here is the daily time frame is selling, but the 4 hours is going on the opposite way, which is letting us know the market is going as a buy position versus the sellers coming down. All right, so now, what we're gonna do next? So this is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna go ahead and review the real data. What is going to happen this coming week? Look at that. So never forget, guys, the sellers are in control. That's what the daily time frame is letting us know. So always trade with the trend. All right, because the trend is your best friend. There's nothing better off than trading with the trend. Okay, so it's telling you, look at that. The daily time frame is also confirming that we're gonna sell. Look at the stairs. The stairs don't lie, guys. Everything is letting us know that we are in a what? We are in a sell position. This is what I see, what I'm seeing for this coming week, guys. We are getting ready for a pullback because the market has been selling for a very long time. What's my understanding for this week, guys? Market is gonna continue on this pullback, retesting your 38.2 Fibonacci level. Why that level? Because that level has previous support and resistance in this area, which is freaking amazing for a reversal. From there, market is gonna come back to the beginning here, and then we're gonna continue on that buy trend. Overall, what I'm seeing on Euro USD is a buy position for this coming week as a pullback. Okay, it's only as a pullback. Let me go ahead and show you the next pair, guys. I added a brand new pair for this week, guys, because someone sent me a message and said, Irvin, don't forget this pair. So stay with me to the end so I can show you which pair is gonna be, but you will be amazed. All right, so here's GBP JPY, guys. Look at here, guys. Look at what are we seeing on the dashboard. What are we seeing, guys? It's very straightforward. There's no magic here. Look at this. Everything is telling us market is in a green folder, which means the market is in a buy trend. Look guys, you can go back to your chart guys. There will be a lot of people are gonna charge you money for what I'm giving you here guys. This is gold guys. This is real money that I'm giving you here for free. But this is not signal guys. This is for educational purpose. Don't trade any money you cannot afford to lose guys. If you want to learn how to trade, please let me know and we can trade together. Okay, so now that we know that we're in a buy trend, we are gonna see the real data real time and see if it's true, because you are here with me in real time. Look at this one guys. This is gonna be amazing guys. This is going to be amazing. Look at multiple time frame. What is multiple time frame doing guys? What is multiple time frame doing here? Can someone tell me? Look at it's here. What is the TW sniper entry doing? Look at that. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. What is the trend doing guys? What is the trend doing? Look at that. So this is me for this coming week. Market will be continuing going all the way to this previous multiple time frame, to this high. We are gonna be looking for a reversal. Why in the middle of this straight line in here? Look at here. I believe market is gonna come here and boom, it's gonna continue on that buy trend. So stay with me to the end guys. Hopefully you guys are finding value on this video, because this is going to be amazing. All right, so let me show you the next pair. Someone sent me a message. So Irving, make sure you do analyze gold, and here it is. I don't want to show you the real data yet, but you know what? Let me show you the real data. Look at here, guys. This is gold here, bottom line. So what are we seeing in gold, guys? Gold is very tricky this week, guys. Look at the multiple time frame going with the TW sniper entry. What is it doing? Look at that. Boom. It's telling that, hey, buddy, we are doing what? Look at that. Look at that. Can you guys see it? I want you to guys see it for yourself, because look, once you start spotting this guys, there's no way you're gonna make a mistake. It's telling us that we're in a sell position. Look at that. Look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. Look at the trend. What is the trend doing on gold, guys? The trend, it is selling. Look at that. Even if you put a trend line in here, it's right on it. So this is my understanding for this week, guys. Market is gonna come back to this trend line here, which is gonna be between your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci level, or either it's gonna go all the way to your 50 Fibonacci level, and boom, market will continue on that sell position, and then it's gonna make a small retracement. Overall, gold, USD 30 is also gonna be selling this week, guys. So if you want me to review USD 30, please let me know. Still it's gonna be selling. All right, you can go back, guys, do your analysis. You will be amazed. You will be amazed. And don't complicate yourself, guys. Don't overtrade. Don't blow your account, guys. Please don't do that. All right, so hopefully this video makes sense, guys. Make sure you do subscribe, and I will see you back on our next video. Boom! Let's trade with Team with Urban.